Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel.
Wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby.
I've been seeing this trend go around TikTok and it's called the wolf cut. I'm sure a lot of y'all have seen it also, so I'm gonna try it on my hair. I'm really nervous because I don't like cutting my hair, but it looks super cute on a lot of other girls, so I thought I'd try it and then film it to get my real raw reaction to it and show y'all how to do it also. So if you want to see that, if you're interested in seeing that, keep watching. And before we start, go and give this video a like because I know y'all gonna like it. And if you want more hair content, comment what you want to see and subscribe. Yeah. And if you see me looking down, one, I'm looking at the mirror from looking here, and I'm trying to make a TikTok at the same time, so that's why I'm looking down. Let's put a little leave-in. So you just put your hair in a ponytail at the top of your head. I ain't cutting that much, so mine's gonna be not right here. All right, so take it and you put the ponytail holder where you want to cut. You gotta make sure you stretch it out and put that thing on there.
Clock is up with that. And good for you, it's like you never eaten that.
Oh, I just cut my hair. What the heck am I doing? Oh god. Then you're supposed to take that out, section it off. You do the next section. Cut all this off. All right, let's see what we're working with. Okay, so I'm in love with these results. Like, are you kidding me? I did this by myself. What? Do y'all see this? Like, the shape, the volume is giving, and it's only leave-in conditioner in my hair. So imagine when I do my full routine. Like, come on. So I highly suggest this to all my curly hair girls. Go and do this wolf cut. Don't go to the salon. Do it yourself, because it's giving. But thank you guys for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you like this video. If you want to see more hair challenges or hair videos, comment that and subscribe. I love y'all. See y'all later.